It's a 2017 Chevrolet Cruze. Forge a bold path with its beautiful fusion of style and efficiency with a sporty presence and liberating economy. It comes with great features you love: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, Apple CarPlay, manual telescoping steering column, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive adds, the 4-door Cruze is a handsome car shaped in the fashion of Chevrolet's well-received mid-size Malibu sedan with even better proportions. Chevy, 100 years of icons. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Still not clear about why so many trust Suburban Volvo for all their Volvo needs? Visit our dealership at 1795 Maple Lawn Drive in Troy, Michigan and find out for yourself.